Now we discuss sum of refraction of light. First problem, a 2 cm tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 10 cm. The distance of the object from the lens is 15 cm. Find the nature, position and size of the image. Also find its magnification. From this problem, 2 cm tall object, that means the height of the object is 2 cm. Here height of the object h1, which is equal to plus 2.0. Plus indicates the above the principal axis, so we use plus symbol. And we use a convex lens and the focal length of 10 cm. So f is equal to 10 cm. Here plus indicates we use convex lens, and the distance of the object from the lens is 15 cm. So u is equal to 15, but the object is placed left side the lens, so we use a minus sign. So u is equal to minus 15 cm, and then we find the nature, positions and the size of the object. So the image distance we need to find out, and the height of the image h2 also we have to find out. First we find the position of the image. So we use the lens formula. So 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. So we substitute the value u and f. After substituting, we take the LCM and find the value of 1 by v is equal to minus 2 plus 3 by 30 is equal to 1 by 30. Take the reciprocal, we can find the value of v is equal to plus 30 cm. Here plus indicates the right side of the lens. Then we need to find the size of the image. We already discussed the formula for magnifications. So m is equal to h2 by h1 and m is equal to v by u. We solve these two equations. h2 which is equal to h1 into v by u. Now we substitute the value of h1, v and u. We can find the value of h2, which is equal to 2.0 into 30 divided by minus 15. So we can easily cross out 2 into 2 4, here that minus sign. So h2 is equal to minus 4.0. Here minus indicates the image will appear in the below the principal axis. Then we find the magnifications. The magnification formula is m is equal to v by u or h2 by h1. Anyone we can use it. Here m is equal to plus 30 divided by minus 15, which is equal to minus 2. Here minus indicates the nature of the image is real and inverted. Now we take a modulus of m so that we can omit the sign. So here m greater than 1. So the size of the image is enlarged. Magnification also enlarged. The image is 2 times enlarged. Next problem, a convex lens forms a real and inverted image of a needle at a distance of 50 cm from it. Where is the needle placed in front of the convex lens if the image is equal to the size of the object? Also find the power of a lens. You can see the page number 184, question number 2. Okay, important words from the problems. Convex lens. So convex lens means we can get real or virtual, which is depends upon the distance. Here image of a needle at a distance of 50 cm. So the image distance is 50 cm. Here v is equal to plus 50, because we get the real and inverted. In convex lens, the image is formed in the right side of the lens for real and inverted. So that we take a v is equal to plus. Where is the needle placed in front of the convex lens if the image is equal to the size of the object? Here the size of the object which is equal to size of the image. You can check the cases. In the third case, when an object is placed at 2f, we can get the image at 2f and then equal size of the object. U is equal to minus 50 because the same size of the object. Here we discuss the position, but if the object is placed 50 centimeter, we can get the image at 50 centimeter in the right side. In that case, the size of the object is equal to the size of the image. Now we find the value of focal length and power of a lens. Now we use the lens formula 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Now substitute the value of u and v. Here v is plus 50, u is minus 50. We can take the LCM. After solving the LCM, we can get 1 by f is equal to 1 plus 1 by 50 is equal to 2 by 50. So we can easily cross out 1 by 25. 1 by f is equal to 1 by 25. So take the reciprocal. F is equal to plus 25 or plus 0.25 meter. Then we find the power of a lens. Power of a lens is P is equal to 1 by f in meters. Here f in meters. Now substitute the value of f. T is equal to 1 by 0.25. After that, we can multiply numerator and denominator by 4. We can get P is equal to 4 by 1, which is equal to plus 4 diopter. Next question. An object 5 centimeter in length is held 25 centimeter away from a converging lens of focal length 10 centimeter. Draw the ray diagram and find the positions, size and nature of the image formed. You can see this problem, page number 186, question number 10. From this problem, so object 5 centimeter in length. That means the height of the object is 5 centimeter. Here h1 is equal to plus 5 centimeter. That means the size of the object or object height is 5 centimeter. Here plus indicates the object is placed above the principal axis, so we take plus. 25 centimeter away from a converging lens. That means the object is placed 25 centimeter away from a converging lens. So U is equal to minus 25. Here minus indicates it is placed left side of the lens. And focal length 10 centimeter. Here F is equal to plus 10 centimeter. Here plus indicates convex lens. That means converging lens. The converging lens of focal length is positive. So F is equal to plus 10 centimeter. Now we find the value of V and H2. That means the size of the image and position of the image. Now we use the lens formula 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Now substitute the value of U and F. U is equal to minus 25 and F is equal to plus 10. So this value move into right side. After that, taking the LCM. The LCM of 10 and 25 is 50. So after solving the LCM, we can find the value of 1 by V is equal to 3 by 50. Taking the reciprocal, V is equal to 50 by 3, which is equal to plus 16.67 centimeter. That means the position of the image. To find the size of the image, already we studied this equation. H2 by H1 is equal to V by U. Substituting the value H1, V and U, you can get the value of H2, which is equal to minus 3.33 centimeter. The image formed at 16.7 centimeter from the lens on the other side, and size of the image is 3.3 centimeter. Here minus indicates the image is formed below the principal axis. So and we check the size of the object and the size of the image. So size of the image is less than the size of the object, and the nature of the image is real and inverted, because the image is formed below the principal axis, that means real line inverted. This is a ray diagram. Position of the object. Here f is equal to 10 centimeter. F is equal to 10 centimeter and 2f is equal to 20 and u is equal to 25, so that the object